Garden update this morning. Oh my goodness. These are my peppers in the tub and they have gotten huge. Yes, I had to turn the drip system off yesterday. Say hi, Eli. Eli, say hi. Hi. He's my garden helper. There's other garden helpers here. Yeah, there's one little poodle over here. Well, anyway, this is the tomato house. Everything's doing great. But what I really wanted to show you was the artichoke plants. My goodness, never grown artichokes before. But oh, look at that. My goodness. So I'm giving them plenty of room, although I planted a couple of cucumber seeds in here because I noticed I didn't have any cucumbers. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 artichoke plants. Ooh, there's a marigold that snuck in on me. Might have to transplant that. So here I got tomatoes in the wild. They're not in the tub. They do pretty good here, so I'm just gonna let them go. And in the distance, you see my tomato house. I have it all pretty much opened up, so lots of ventilation and lots of sun comes through. In this little tub that I just acquired recently from my good friend Daryl, from his horse motel, I have got some wonderful wonderful basil. Looks like somebody else tasted it. And amongst the basil is a lot of peppers among the basil. And these guys, they like to munch on a little grass now and then, which is fine with me. I don't think it hurts them. My grass is very wholesome. And here's the tub of lettuce. Oh, the lettuce is doing fabulous. I pick it and pick it and pick it, and it just keeps growing. Can you see that? And I've been giving it away. The arugula is it's still good, but it has a few little aphids on it. So from over here, you can see that I'm having to water because I turned the drip system off last night. It rained too much. I let this arugula go to seed. Over here, I got more peppers. 2 tubs like that from Daryl. And this big tub I also planted some cucumbers and some peppers, and it's got lettuce and basil. And these boys they're like goats eating a little grass here and there. But oh, look at this lettuce. This is that nice soft lettuce. So over here is a lot of lettuce, and the cucumbers have really flourished. Look at those. And there's a cucumber blossom on almost just every inch. So that's nice. So I guess I will have cucumbers. And I'm going to have to turn off that water. So here I'll quickly go through. I give the birds water every morning when I can. Here's the tub, the giant tub with zucchini. I already picked the zucchini, and I did pollinate the blossoms just in case. Although I saw a lot of bees. Why, hi there, handsome. Are you guarding the house? Yes, he is. There's the tomato house. There's lots of blossoms and lots of bees on there as well. And these are also another tub of peppers. And I allowed some marigolds to grow. Letting this parsley go to seed. Here's my bounty for this morning. And I did transplant a little tree that came up wild. Somebody's going to get that as a gift. So this is beautiful out here. Beautiful in the morning. Let me make a quick run through. Look at the tomato house again. It is flourishing in here. And I haven't regretted accidentally planting some zucchini. I picked the zucchini, it was hanging there on the vine. And I got tomatoes coming, little tomatoes are on everything. And here's how much this has grown. This is my celery, my first time growth of celery. And basil is everywhere. So I must turn the water off. I got some free range tomatoes and lots of poodles. The poodles are on guard. They're helping me. This is Otto. He's my most experienced gardener.